Hey, my name is Dylan with RepairSpots. Today in this video, we're going to be going over our new feature, Low Part Stock, and how it can be utilized from our inventory page. So to get started, let's go navigate to the inventory page by going to More, and then going up to Inventory. All right. From this page, we'll see our features on the right-hand side that we can utilize. And in this video, we're going to be generating our low part stock report. But first, let's see how the low part stock is applied to an item. So let's open this item, for example. Now, on the product page, we're going to have a new variable for the low stock. Here, we can apply our low stock for this item. So when we assign this low stock, we can update the item, and then when we generate our low part stock report, we'll be able to see what items are below their minimum quantity. So let's generate that report. And here we see the difference on one of our items, the minimum quantity they have, and the quantity that currently is there. Some of these items are showing a difference of 0 because they match our minimum quantity and quantities at the same time. So it's just letting you know that this item is within the low part, but you don't need to order any right now. All right, so if we want to generate a purchase order from this low part stock, we can go ahead and generate a purchase order down here. You can modify this and remove and add whatever items you would like to this purchase order. And you can also modify the quantities of each of these items to have the desired amount in your purchase order. We can continue to overview, and then we can go ahead and finish creating our purchase order. If you haven't yet learned how to make purchase orders, I recommend checking out our video on creating purchase orders. Also, using our importing and exporting feature, you will be able to mass update all of your low part stock amounts if you have not yet assigned a low part stock amount to your inventory. If you do not know how to import and export yet, please check out our video on importing and exporting within RepairSpots. All right, and there we have it. So that's everything for our low part stock report. I hope that you gain use from it and are able to benefit from our new feature. Thank you.